Hello everyone, Ganluchisano and welcome to my channel. So, according to lead investigator Brigadier Bongani Gininda, singer Kelly Khumalo was meant to be arrested along with the 5 accused men in 2020, but the National Prosecuting Authority, which is NPA, blocked her arrest. Gininda revealed this during the Senzo Meyiwa trial this past Thursday, the 22nd of May. He told the Gauteng High Court that the NPA decided against charging Kelly Khumalo despite evidence linking her to the 2014 murder of the former Bafana Bafana goalkeeper. Testifying under cross-examination, Gininda revealed that he drafted a memorandum in January 2020 recommending Kelly Khumalo be added as a suspect, believing there was a solid case against her. However, the NPA declined to authorize a warrant of arrest, instructing investigators to gather further evidence to strengthen the link between Kelly Khumalo and the 5 men currently on trial. Gininda's testimony identified Kelly Khumalo as the alleged mastermind behind what the state claims was a contract killing. This, according to him, was supported by confessions from accused Muzika Ukulelwa Sibiya and Bongani Ntanzi, along with phone records connecting Kelly Khumalo to 2 of the accused. Now, the NPA's decision not to charge Kelly Khumalo has sparked public debate, with many questioning why she has not been held accountable for what happened at her Vosloorus home, where Senzo Meyiwa was gunned down in October 2014. The mess that is this case 10 years on, does this mean there's a clash between South African Police Service and the NPA? The NPA is notorious for rushing to charge high-profile individuals only to drop the case later, citing lack of evidence. Maybe this time around they don't want to charge Kelly Khumalo and then embarrassingly withdraw the charges like they often do. But what made Kelly Khumalo so different, especially when the lead investigator says there's evidence linking her to the 2 of the accused? I think that's probably why there's so much public debate around Kelly's arrest or the lack of it. Anyway, do let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.